Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at ECOX Network, their latest update. We are also going to look at the eligibility criteria as well, because the way this project is going, from what I'm understanding, I think you have to lock your ECS for you to receive your rewards on TGE. So before we dive in, for me, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our Telegram channel for high value up. So if you're mining this project, you have to be on a daily streak, that is daily check-in, so that you will claim your green. After 3 days of inactive in this project, you are going to lose your green, and you will not be able to do any transaction. So they are making this project strict in a way that you must be on a daily check-in, so that you will not lose access to your account. Another thing here is we are also going to look at the logs. This log ECS, if you tap on this log ECS, we can now see that we have 2 days left for this requirement, and it is advised, according to them, this is not a financial advice, that you need to log 1000 ECS, or you have to use USDT, which will cost you 2.50 USDT, for you to be able to purchase this particular level, which is the starter, and you are going to maximize your TGE unlock 50 ECS. So I don't see the reason why they are emphasizing on locking your ECS. But before we continue, let's just look at their latest update. So coming here 2 days ago, they said daily check-in reminder. Every day you check in on the ECOX app counts as one active day, which means plus 1 streak point. If you don't stay active for 3 days in a row, you won't be able to transfer your ECS. Did you see that? So you must be active at least every day, so that you will be able to transfer your ECS. They say make sure you keep at least a 3-day streak to complete the transaction. So this is concerning the daily check-in they introduced to the app. Now scrolling down here, when I made my last update on this ECOX project, many people were asking how can they unlock their locked ECS, and according to that video, that update was simply on when they were doing their referral program, whereby you invite friends to unlock your lock ECS. But right now they have come up with another strategy, and this is what we are going to find out, how we can unlock our ECS, because most of our ECS are locked. Once you convert, they will take everything and lock it. We don't even have anything there. So this is the update they made 3 days ago. They said how to get your ECS unlocked no later than January 2026. You want your ECS unlocked as early as December, or at least January 2026. You have to lock now to claim your reward. So if you want to unlock your ECS, you have to lock your tokens. That you have to purchase this ECOX network or ECOX coin and lock it, so that you can claim your reward. They say else you will have to wait till September 2026. So if you don't want to lock your token to claim the reward December or early January, you have to wait till September 2026, where you will receive your reward. So they say the unlock formula: ECS at TGE equals percent unlock at TGE existing lock ESK plus newly lock ESC. So this is what they have to say. You have to purchase their coin and lock it up so that you can receive the reward, or you have to wait for 2026 September for you to receive your reward. So let's look at the comment section. One person said you have to change the name of your project from ECOX project to log project. Exactly. All the way all the way you plan, we understand you are trying to cheat people. So someone said you are pushing community to buy coin from you and lock it. If not, you didn't get anything at TGA. So it is not good pushing your community to buy your coin. Without buying your coin, that means there is no airdrop for us. So there is no longer free airdrop. So this is what the community are not happy concerning that. So coming down here, you will see that they say top benefits of locking your ESC. They said here, look, locking ECS has been a hot topic in the community. So what are the real benefits compared to those who haven't locked here? Let's break it down. The first thing you will get for locking your ECS is that you will be rewarded at TGA. So they said, by locking your ESC, you are guaranteed to receive ECS at TGA. The more you lock, the higher your total ECS unlock at TGA. If you don't participate in locking, you won't receive any ECS at TGA. To lock our ESC, that means nothing for us at TGA. So this is what they have to say. What do you think? Do you think we are actually wasting our time this period? Because I don't understand why a project will be forcing the community. And I also come across a YouTuber who was complaining that those people that even bought their ECS, we are all scam. None of them received the ECS as planned. So what do you think? Do you think it is right to invest in this project? Do you think buying that 1000 ECS is worth doing, or using 2.50 USDT to stake is another thing that is worth doing? So what do you think? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.